Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add testimonial slider in Shopify store Dawn theme. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, log into your Shopify account by navigating to Shopify's homepage and clicking the Login button. From the dashboard, head to the Online Store option on the left-hand menu. Clicking this will bring you to a page where you can access your themes. Find the Themes section and click on Edit Theme to open the Theme Customizer. This is where you can make visual adjustments to your store. Inside the customizer, to add the testimonial slider, look for the Add Section button. Click it, and a list of available sections will appear. Now, it's important to note that the Dawn theme doesn't include a dedicated testimonial section. Instead, it has a multi-column section that works exactly the same as a testimonial layout. So, just find the multi-column section. Once you see it in the list, select it to add it to your page. With the multi-column slider now added, you can click on it to start editing. Shopify allows you to customize the text, images, layout, and other elements, so the testimonials match your brand's style and tone. Once you're done personalizing the section, make sure to save your changes. The Save button is located in the top right corner of the page, and clicking it ensures all your edits are applied to the live version of your store. And that's it. So that is how you can add testimonial slider in Shopify store Dawn theme. So that's all for this video. Thanks.